Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Live in faith that the whole world is on your side so long as you are true to the best that is in you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 47, NASDAQ up 8, S&P's up 250, gold contract up $6.90, traded at $1,162 an ounce. Silver up 1 penny at $15.83 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.41 a pound. Light sweet crude down $2.20 rather, at $47.43 a barrel. Oil took a hit, down 4.8%. Bottom line, folks, you're pulling back with lighter volume. Oil looks like it's going to set up a buy somewhere around the 43, 44 area. Bonds, 10-year up 9 ticks, 128.25. 30-year up 29 ticks, 157.26. Bond market, once again, folks, rejected lower price last week, had lighter volume, moves higher today. Bottom line, bonds want higher price, lower yield. King dollar flat at 94.86. The euro up 4 at 113, and the yen trading off a quarter penny at 120. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Across the board, folks, we got dramatically lighter volume. You have Columbus Day. Bottom line, though, you're pushing into highs. You get a contraction of volume. That's saying lower prices are coming at us. So, the SPY, what do we do out here? We did 52 million shares. Let me put this up on the daily. Okay, so you did 52 million shares. You closed at 201.59. Bottom line, 201.59 is that you are into the trading day from the 17th of September. The bottom of that is 199.28. That says, hey, you can go test the top of that, which is 202.89. The correlation is pretty intense. We are trading into 276 million shares. We did 52 million. Last Thursday, you did 153 million. You got to a high of 201.55. Friday, we did 201.90, and you did 107 million. You can see 52 million today. So just when you do the correlation that you are at higher price, just picture if we were all in the same room, folks, and someone has a widget up in the air and says, do you want to buy this widget? And the first day you were in the room, you had 153 million people in the room. And you're buying that widget at 201.55. And then today, you only have 1/3 of those people in the room, and you're buying that widget at 201.60 to 201.76. So you're paying more money. There's 1/3 of the people in the room. Now, that's not even about what we're going against. We're going against 276 million as well as 346 million. That correlation in itself is pretty intense. What does that say? That says lower prices are still coming at us. NDX 100, we take a look at the Qs. It's the same setup inside the Qs. What you have with the Qs out here is this. We did 16 million shares today. We did 23 million Thursday. You did 50 million Friday. You're going into 56 million, which is the 17th of September. You're going into 97 million, which is the downdraft that occurred on the 21st. We take the first day of the downdraft, it was 57 million. The second day was 97 million. The third day was 150 million. Pretty intense. Now, gold. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold's got over its first swing point. That swing point being the September 21st, September 24th area. The high of that is 1156.40. We're at 1162. This little baby is getting ready to get up into its August 24th swing, which is the 1169.80. We hit 1168.60 today. I expect what you're going to see, you'll build some cars, and we're going to be up into this May 18th area of 1234. We go take a look at the oil contract. So what do we have with oil? We're rolling contracts on oil also. What happens, folks, is that oil trades by the month. The rest of the commodities trade by each and every quarter. Oil out here today was down $2.23. We did 170,000 contracts. You're going against 175. You're going against 146 and 170. That's on the Z contract, which is the December, I believe. That's the November contract. CLX that we're just rolling out of today, that little baby, it was down 223. That's 367,000 contracts. That roll is on. Bottom line is that has pulled back with slightly lighter volume, but I do expect you're going to see that oil market will pull back a bit further. Now, bonds. The 10-year is trading up 9 ticks, 128.25. This is back in the larger range. That larger range, as soon as you're back inside the 128.19, this is a complex ABC up, folks. And what a complex ABC up means is this, is that on the 2nd of October, the 10-year goes to 130. You have volume of 1.9 million contracts. It blows away the last swing high up here of the 24th of August. Then complex just means that it didn't hold price. It comes back under the B point, has lighter volume, and then goes right back into the B point again. That's what we've done. So that still sets up a 131 inside the 10-year. A 131 inside the 10-year, of course, is going to bring it back under 2%. Right now, it's 2.088. The 30-year has strength and was stronger today than the 10-year, which happens quite a bit. The 30-year, we did 416,000 contracts, and this is a nice little setup. This 30-year never made the highs of August 24th. When that went forward on the October 7th, we went to 160.20. I expect you're going to see it up there, and we'll see whether it can take out the 160.117 if it has the volume for an additional ABC structure on the way up. King dollar can't handle higher price. King dollar out here is at 94.90. It's positive, but anything under 95.27 still sets up a run to the low out here of 92.85. And when you actually do look at this on a larger term chart, that little baby can get down to 85. Dow finished up 47, NASDAQ up 8, S&P's up 3.5. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.